In this video, you're going to see how to make these adorable buttercream baby booties. You'll need a #1 round tip with white buttercream in a paper piping bag or a small nylon one. I'll show you briefly how to make a paper piping bag, but you can also click the end screen to see a detailed tutorial on how to do these. The number 10 round is used for making the main baby booty. These are going to be frozen, so you'll need squares of wax paper to pipe onto, or parchment paper. Touch the surface, squeeze, and let the buttercream build up a little bit. Then pull to form a tube shape, which is slightly narrower at the heel end. Now squeeze out a mound over the heel section. You can use a paintbrush to smooth out any points. Trace around the top edge to make little ruffles, or you can just make a line. For the bows, you trace out 2 triangles basically. Now pop it into the freezer for at least 10 minutes. I am so sorry I went out of range there, but you can still see the ruffling that I did. Now the buttercream booties are ready for your cakes and cupcakes. Aren't they adorable? Click the end screen to see the cake being decorated with buttercream booties and a mini wedding cake. If you like my videos, subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.